Right joystick, SYMA X880 for kids of all ages. This is a toy drone flown inside the house so you can have fun no matter where you're flying and what you're setting up. What we're going to be doing is unboxing the X880 and show you what SYMA is all about. Check online for further details. A lot of information is provided on the box. This is how the package is opened and displayed. Go over the instruction manual. You're given a landing pad, a caution of battery guide, and everything in a number of languages of your product. Grab yourself a pair of scissors and remove the safety tabs and cord. Cut off anything that does not belong to the actual drone, like tabs. Open up the miscellaneous package. With the supplied precision screwdriver, we're going to take off the battery door. Carefully open up the battery door and discard the wire. Supply 4 AAA batteries into the slot. Rotate around, turn on, turn off, and close up. On the bottom front will be a USB-C charging area. You're going to plug in, allow the unit to charge. You have a red light indicator. Place upside down, and when the red light goes out, we are fully charged. The 300 milliamp battery takes about 60 minutes to charge with 6 minutes of flight time. Going over the aircraft, you have prop guard protectors. You're given 2 A's and 2 B's. In order to take the protector front cover off, you're given again a precision screwdriver that will be removing 4 screws plus another 6 screws in case you need to take the body out. Remove the screws from the area as shown. As you slowly separate the body from the white, you hear it snapping. And you're able to get to the propeller and remove by grabbing. With your index and your thumb and your third finger over the motor, pull away to place back on, match the hole to the motor, and place back everything on your quadcopter. The next step is the controller. To understand how the controller works, it's got 4 buttons on the back of the unit, 2 joysticks, and an on and off button. On the button, if you go up, it extends, down, it descends, left counterclockwise, right clockwise. The right joystick forward to forward, back to back, left to left, right to right. If you also press in on the joysticks and press the back buttons, they all do things. Pressing on the stick and going left will give a rotation movement. Right will be a right rotation movement. Pressing on the next button and you want to make nice circular left movements or right movements, it's by the joystick. And press on the next button to do hopping along. And then, of course, the last one will be zigzag forward movements. And last but not least is the very end button for auto takeoff and auto land. This also has altitude hold where when you take off, let go of the joystick, it'll hold at that altitude. For further information about your drone and the colors the drones come in, check online for further detail. The maximum range can be around 50 feet. You want to fly nearby and you want to have a lot of fun inside, which we'll demonstrate as soon as the battery is fully charged. A nice close-up look at the drone. If you take note, there's no on and off button. Yes, it's a rubber bottom located over here, will be your on and off. As you can see, I'm pressing it to turn it on and off. We're going to set up by long pressing. It's in pairing mode. Turn on your transmitter, up and down. We are now ready to fly. We're going to start the unit by a long press. Blue is the head. Turn on the transmitter, up, down, and we're going to take off on the floor. Hit the takeoff button, and if you get too close, crash, move it into the open and do it over. Steer it, go up, and fly and rotate. If you need to do a flip, you can do a flip by hitting the flip button. If you need to circle, you can circle. If you need to rotate, we can rotate. If you need to trim, there are trim buttons. The trimming is done by the joystick. If you double press a button, that is the land. That is why it dropped. We're just going to go fly right now. So you're looking for an X880 drone, has some fun filming and enjoying the activities of flying indoors. This drone may be right for you. I hope you enjoy the product, make the choice of the color, and enjoy flying the X880.